This is mod 1 for child's pose. Starting with your knees about 2 or 3 feet apart, big toes touching, start to come down onto your forearms and start to place your head down onto the floor. Just resting here, rocking your forehead from left to right, massaging through the front of the skull, and just taking a little rest. This is mod 2 for child's pose. Starting with the big toes together, knees about 3 feet apart. Reach your arms forward, keep a little micro bend into the elbows. You're trying to reach your hips towards your heels while keeping the forehead onto the floor, tracting through the spine, just opening through the hips, resting here. Rocking the forehead from left to right, taking deep breaths. This is mod 3 for child's pose. Keeping the big toes together, bring your knees as wide apart, about 3 or 4 feet apart. Reach those arms forward, spread the fingers nice and wide. Try to keep your hips on your heels, reach those arms forward, bring the forehead onto the floor and just track through the spine here. So spreading the fingers nice and wide. So it's like you're pushing the mat forward with your hands while you reach your hips back.